For today, we are going to learn about biology, and we are going to learn the first topic of Form 1 according to the syllabus of Tanzania. And this topic is introduction to biology, yani utangulizi wa biology. And we are going to learn it in terms of question. The first question states that mention at least 3 branches of science studied in several schools of Tanzania. Another question states that define the term biology. Second question, define the following. Roman 1, organisms. Roman 2, biologist. Roman 3, life. Roman 4, cell. Roman 5, multicellular organisms. Roman 6, unicellular organisms. The third question, biology comes from 2 Greek words. Mention them. Fourth question, mention 7 characteristics of living things. And now let us check the answer of each question. The first question states that mention at least 3 branches of science studied in several schools in Tanzania. Taja walau matawi matatu ya sayansi yanayosomwa katika shule kadhaa nchini Tanzania. You can answer this question like this. The branches of science which are studied in several schools in Tanzania are physics, chemistry, and biology. Define the term biology. Biology is a branch of science which deals with the study of living things. Biology ni tawi la sayansi linalohusiana na kusoma viumbe hai. When you say living things, means organisms. It is the same to say organism. Second question, it was define the following. Roman 1, it was organism. Organism is anything which has life. Ni kitu chochote ambacho kina maisha. Example of organisms are human being, cow, goat, dog, maize plant, banana plant, bacteria, euglena, paramecium, and so on. Another terminology is biologist. Biologist is a person who studies biology. Biologist ni mtu yule anayesoma biology. Life. Life means being alive. Life means being alive. Anything which has life possess life processes. And the life processes are, for example, movement, reproduction, respiration, growth, excretion, and irritability. Another word, it was cell. Cell is a basic functionality of life. Number 5, multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms, these are organisms which possess more than one cell. These are organisms which have many cells, which are made up of many cells. When you say multi means many, and the cellular means cell. So multicellular organisms are organisms which have many cells. Roman 5, unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms, these are organisms which have got only one cell. Examples of organisms which have got only one cell are bacteria, protocysts, and fungi. Third question. Biology comes from two Greek words. Mention them. Yes, biology comes from two Greek words. These words are bios, which means life, and logos or logia. Logos means study. Logia means knowledge. Fourth question. Mention 7 characteristics of living things. 7 characteristics of living things are movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth, respiration, excretion, and nutrition. You can remember this by using this formula, which is called Mrs. Glenn. M stands for movement, R stands for reproduction, S stands for sensitivity or irritability, G stands for growth, R stands for respiration, E stands for excretion, N stands for nutrition. So for this lesson we end up here. Don't forget to subscribe so as you can get more lessons. You should get more lessons, so you have to subscribe. Thank you for listening to me.